Q8179. In gas tungsten arc, GTA, welding, a stream of inert gas is used to A. Prevent the formation of oxides in the puddle. B. Concentrate the heat of the arc and prevent its dissipation. C. Lower the temperature required to properly fuse the metal. The correct answer is A. In gas tungsten arc, GTA, welding, an inert gas, such as argon, is used as a shielding gas. The purpose of the inert gas is to create a protective atmosphere around the welding area. By displacing the surrounding air, the inert gas prevents the formation of oxides in the molten weld puddle. Oxides can weaken the weld joint and lead to defects. The inert gas shield also helps to stabilize the arc and improve the quality of the weld by reducing atmospheric contamination. 8180. Which statement best describes magnesium welding? A. Magnesium can be welded to other metals. B. Filler rod should be nickel steel. C. Filler rod should be the same composition as base metal. The correct answer is C. When welding magnesium, it is generally recommended to use a filler rod that has the same composition as the base metal. This helps ensure compatibility and proper fusion between the base metal and the filler material. Magnesium has unique properties and characteristics, and using a filler rod with a different composition can result in poor weld quality and potential issues such as cracking or brittleness. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. 8180-1. Which statement best describes magnesium welding? A. It has low thermal conductivity, so distortion and cracking rarely occur. B. It is recommended to use larger welding beads and a slower welding speed than normal. C. It can be welded successfully using the same type of joints that are used for aluminum. The correct answer is C. Magnesium and aluminum have similar properties and characteristics, and they can be welded using similar techniques and joint designs. The same types of joints commonly used for aluminum welding, such as butt joints, lap joints, and T-joints, can be applied to magnesium welding as well. However, it is important to note that magnesium has its own specific considerations and requirements, such as the need for proper shielding gas and careful control of heat input to ensure successful welds. 8181. Which statement is true in regard to welding heat-treated magnesium? A. The welded section does not have the strength of the original metal. B. Flux should not be used because it is very difficult to remove and is likely to cause corrosion. C. Magnesium cannot be repaired by fusion welding because of the high probability of igniting the metal. The correct answer is A. Welding heat-treated magnesium can result in a loss of strength in the welded area. Heat treatment is a process used to strengthen magnesium alloys, and welding can alter the microstructure and reduce the strength achieved through heat treatment. Therefore, the welded section typically does not possess the same level of strength as the original heat-treated metal. 8182. The oxyacetylene flame for silver soldering should be A. Oxidizing. B. Neutral. C. Carburizing. The correct answer is B. The oxyacetylene flame for silver soldering should be neutral. A neutral flame provides the ideal conditions for efficient and controlled silver soldering. It consists of a well-defined inner cone surrounded by a lighter outer flame, offering a balanced heat distribution and temperature. This type of flame prevents excessive oxidation or carburization of the workpiece, ensuring a strong and reliable bond between the silver solder and the base metal.